If you do a lot of meal prep or hate throwing out food that spoils too quickly, this little gadget might just become your new favorite kitchen tool. It's the Plateful electric mason jar vacuum sealer kit, and I've been using it for a few weeks now to seal everything from coffee beans to leftovers. And honestly, it's been a game changer. What I love most is how simple it is. You literally just place the lid on your jar, put the sealer on top, press one button, and in about 30 seconds it creates an airtight seal. No hoses, no bulky setup, and definitely no mess. It works with both wide and regular mouth mason jars, so you can use it with whatever you already have at home. The build feels solid too, compact, lightweight, and easy to store. And it even comes with everything you need. The sealer itself, stainless steel lids, a lid opener, and a USB charging cable. The charge lasts a long time, so I only plug it in once every couple of weeks. In terms of performance, the results speak for themselves. My herbs and veggies are staying fresh much longer, and I've cut down on food waste big time. It's also great for sealing snacks or dry goods like nuts, oats, and rice. If I had to mention a few downsides, the lid adapter can be a little tight at first, and you do need to make sure the lids are clean and dry for a perfect seal. Also, it's not ideal for liquids like soups or sauces, but that's pretty normal for vacuum sealers. Overall, I'd give the Plateful mason jar vacuum sealer an 8 out of 10. It's efficient, easy to use, and actually helps save money by keeping food fresh longer. Definitely worth checking out if you love an organized pantry or just want to waste less. You can find it on Amazon, link in the description,